Greetings, fellow crafters. I have some mail that's come in. One of them I know what it is, the other one I'm not really sure. I'm pretty sure it's diamond painting related, but the address has got me scratching my head a bit. So when we come back, we'll figure out what's going on here. All right. Okay, so mail's always exciting, especially when everything is so delayed. But this bigger package, I don't know what it is, so I'm going to save that. This one I know what it is, and I'm really excited to see it. So I'm going to set the bigger package aside for now. This is from DiamondPenz. As you can probably imagine, they make acrylic diamond painting pens. They are a Canadian company. They are out of Manitoba. I ordered this on the 24th. They shipped it on the 27th. Today is the 5th of June, so it took a little bit to get here, but we've got a pandemic going on. The postal service is going nuts, so I'm not going to say anything. I also didn't choose tracked shipping, which probably would have been faster because the untracked was cheaper. I spent $25 on this, and they work entirely through Facebook. So you have to join their Facebook group. I will link it down below. But once you join their Facebook group, they have multiple ways to buy. If you want to buy something specific, custom, you put your name on the customs list, and they first come, first serve. They go through and they help fill those. I'm not entirely sure how that works, but I'm sure they will explain that on there. The second way is they have sales that pop up. I will put up here what their normal sales schedule is. They do 3 days a week. They also tend to have lots of random sales. And then there's 3 ways to buy through the sales. One is fastest finger. As soon as they put it up, the first person that says, "Yep, I want it," because they'll post the name they've given that blank and the price of the pen. And the first person that says, "Yep, I want it," they will close down the comments, and that person can buy it. The second is an auction. They put it up at a starting price. They leave it up for a couple of hours, and whoever is the last to post within that couple of hours. I have seen situations where they said the cutoff was 7 o'clock, and somebody posted at 6:59, somebody posted at 7:01. So the person who put the last number in at 6:59 won it. Then they pay and they get their thing. And the way that I got mine was they post a bunch of them. They just put the name of the pen and a price. They put it up for a certain period of time, and at the end of that period of time, they put everybody's name in a hat who said they were interested in a hat, and they draw one person out, and that person gets it. You still do have to buy it. This one was $25. So let's see what I've got here. Get my big gnarly scissors. It looks so pretty. This one was called Caribbean Crystal, if I recall correctly. Let's see what I've got here. Ooh, candy. And they said they were going to do this. They sent a straightener, a 6-placer, a 3-placer, and a 9-placer? Yeah, I think that's a 9. So I've got some more multi-placers. Sent candy. Very cool. I have seen that. And they wrapped this in tissue paper. It's in frame, yeah. Oh, would you look at that? Beautiful. It's full of crystals. It's got greens and blues and purples and a hair. Looks like pet hair. I don't have pets, so that probably came from them. It's got the regular single placer, and it's got the spot in the end for any of those multi-placers or straighteners as you want them. It's nice and thick, not too heavy. It's lovely and smooth. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, this is going to be so much better to use than those silly plastic pens. I am so looking forward to using this. Thank you guys. So that was DiamondPenz on Facebook, Their information is going to be in the description, and that is what we got there. So I'm going to get rid of this stuff with some movie magic, and I'll bring you back when I have the other package ready. Okay, so that other package actually had nothing to do with either Halloween or diamond painting. It was actually of a somewhat intimate nature, so I'm just not going to call this my DiamondPenz review. I'm very happy with it. It feels great. I'm going to be trying it out today. It is so pretty, you guys. So pretty. And I hope this video is enjoyable. Like it if you enjoyed it. Dislike it if you didn't. Share it with your friends. And thank you so much for joining me.